In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a minimalist logo in Canva. Canva is a powerful tool for designing, and it's perfect for those who are not design experts. Let's begin by heading over to Canva's website. You can do this by simply opening your preferred browser and typing in the URL for Canva. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account. It's as simple as clicking on the Login button. This will lead you to a page where you'll select your account. Once you've chosen your account, click on Continue to access your Canva dashboard. Now that you're all set, it's time to search for a minimalist logo template. In the search bar, type Minimalist Logo Templates. You'll see a range of options appear. Feel free to scroll through and select a template that resonates with your brand's style and message. If you'd prefer to start from a blank canvas, Canva also gives you that option, allowing for complete personalization. Once you have your template, click on it and then click on Customize this template to enter the design editor. This is where the magic happens. Click on the text area to edit it. Here is your chance to input your own brand name. Type it directly into the text box, and feel free to play around with different fonts and sizes to make it uniquely yours. As you explore further, don't hesitate to click on other elements of the template that you might want to change. Customization is key to making your logo stand out. Modify colors, replace icons, or adjust shapes to better fit your brand's identity. Remember, the beauty of a minimalist design is its simplicity, so try not to overcrowd it. Moreover, you have the opportunity to personalize it even further by adding your name. This can give a personal touch, especially if your brand is closely linked to your own personality or personal work. Once you feel satisfied with your design, make sure to inspect it thoroughly. Check for alignment, consistency in font styles, and color balance. A quick tip is to also view your logo in different sizes to ensure it maintains its integrity and looks appealing in various formats. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a minimalist logo using Canva. Don't forget to download your work. Canva provides several options such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, depending on where you plan to use your logo. Enjoy showcasing your brand's new look, and remember, with Canva, you're not just limited to logos. Feel free to explore their other design capabilities as well. Happy designing!